Okay. So that one's firing, this one's not, that one's not. That one right there goes to number 1. That one goes to number 2. We're going to do a DVA output check. This one's not firing. 2.1 volts. This one's not firing. Okay. 2.9. This one right here is firing. Go ahead. 153. And this one right here is firing. 159, and we did the got the ground disconnected, got the rectifier connected. We had it disconnected a minute ago, and then we've checked our stator outputs and also our trigger outputs, everything in line. So that leaves a little box right there.